Welcome to the opening stock entry section in Infogate Cloud ERP. This section allows you to enter the opening stock of items when you first start using the ERP system. At the top, the document number is automatically generated, and you can select or enter the entry date. You can also mention the entered by name and add any notes in the remarks field. Next, under the item table, enter the item code or select the item from the search option. The item name and ABIC name will appear automatically. Then, choose the unit of measurement. Enter the opening stock quantity and specify the opening cost for that item. You can click Add row to include more items in the list. Once all the required details are filled, click Save to record the opening stock entry in the system. You can also use the refresh button to clear the form or click print to generate of the opening stock details. Below, the existing item details section displays all previously entered items, along with their stock quantity, cost and other related details. This section helps you accurately record and manage the initial stock values of all items in Infogate Cloud ERP. This is the opening stock detail screen. Here, you can view all existing opening stock entries. At the top, use the search by drop-down to find records easily. You can search by document number or by entered by name. After selecting your preferred option, type your keyword in the search box to quickly locate the record you need. Below you can see a table showing the date, document number, entered by branch name, and total value for each entry. To view or edit an entry, click the Edit icon in the Actions column.